National Capital Region, where BJP councillor Ravinder Singh Negi rose an inflatable boat amid severe waterlogging as a symbolic protest against the Delhi government. He says all PWD drains are overflowing. Delhi government didn't get it cleaned and ahead of the monsoon specifically. This has led to waterlogging in various parts of the region. Now, Vinod Nagar has submerged completely. So, BJP councillor Ravinder Singh Negi, as a symbolic protest against Delhi government, started rowing an inflatable boat amid severe waterlogging as a symbolic protest against Delhi government. Now, what all he has said is that all PWD drains are overflowing. This is a big allegation coming against the Delhi government. Delhi government didn't get it clean ahead of the monsoon. Now, let's take a look at some of the reactions that we are getting on this report.
आज दे सकते हैं मैं पीडब्ल्यूडी का नाला दिल्ली सरकार का सामने ये पीडब्ल्यूडी का नाला सारा ओवरफ्लो है। मानसून रहते हुए इन्होंने दिल्ली के नालों की सफाई नहीं कराई, जिसकी वजह से जल भराव की समस्या आ चुकी है। हम सदन में बार बार ये आवाज उठा रहे थे। हमने सदन में कहा, निगम के सदन में, कि नालों की सफाई कराइए, पीडब्ल्यूडी के नालों की सफाई कराइए। अब दिल्ली नगर निगम में आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार, दिल्ली में आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार, डबल इंजन की इनकी सरकार, इनको शर्म नहीं आती। दिल्ली के लोग बेहाल हो गए। अब सुबह सुबह सब ऑफिस को जा रहे हैं, पर जल भराव इतना है, किसी की गाड़ी खराब हो रही है, किसी की बस खराब हो रही है, सामने बस खराब है और इतना बुरा हाल है, इनके मंत्रियों के कान में जू नहीं रह रही।
Well, Anshul and Yash continue to stay with us on the broadcast. Anshul, help us understand. We just saw a visual of BJP's councillor protesting in a very different way this time. Now, he's raised a lot of allegations on the Aam Aadmi Party government, especially with the PW drains not being cleaned ahead of the monsoon. Take us through all the details on this report.
Yes, if you see, the politics around this entire matter has already started. The Aam Aadmi Party is definitely on the back foot, if you see, because this is something that should have been prepared already, because we saw that even during the summers as well, there was water scarcity that was reported. The meetings that were supposed to happen between Delhi and Haryana and the neighbouring states, that did not happen because the Delhi Chief Minister was inside the jail cells. And now, when there should have been preparedness, early preparedness for the incoming monsoon, yet again we are seeing that the government has definitely been caught on the back foot over here, has definitely been caught napping. In fact, it is the job of the MCD, and if you talk about this area out here in NDMC, it is the job of the NDMC to make sure that before monsoons the drains are cleared out, the clogged drains are cleared out, so that the manner in which the waterlogging that we are seeing happening on the ground, this does not happen. But yes, definitely the authorities have been caught napping yet again, and yet again the politics has started over it. The BJP, the members of the BJP have already started attacking the Aam Aadmi Party for the laxity that has been shown. We are still awaiting for an official reaction to come in from anyone within the Aam Aadmi Party, as no action or no reaction has yet come in from the Aam Aadmi Party. So definitely the politics has started, and the politics will continue through the day, because this is something that was on the expected lines, that yes, monsoon will come to the national capital, yes, waterlogging can happen, and hence it is the job of the authorities to be well prepared for that. You can see that there are no pumps that have been deployed over here. There are no pumps that have been deployed at the underpasses as well to clog out the water, to push out the water that has collected. So definitely now, since the waterlogging has happened, we are seeing that the MCD has now jumped into action. It is being reported that now the mayor of the MCD will be coming to all these places to look at this situation over here, and then eventually some sort of action will be taken to actually push this water out from over here. Definitely a lot of questioning, a lot of answering that needs to be done from the side of the authorities at this point in time. But the manner in which this entire scenes have broken out here in the national capital definitely is something that is very, very sad, and definitely poses a lot of questions to the government, to the MCD, to the NDMC and other authorities who are responsible for making sure that the civic life of people over here, that the life of people over here is not affected by some minimal rain that has happened. Remember, the rainfall that has happened this morning has not exceeded the expectations in any way or any manner. But yes, the manner in which the preparations were done for this monsoon has definitely made sure that the people of national capital have to pass through this water to actually eventually reach to their workplaces.
Right, Anshul, I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast. Yash also continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Yash, we just saw a dramatic display of frustration over the city's waterlogging issues. MCD is now coming to action. Now, has there been any official statement over the entire fiasco of this civic apathy happening, and what are the immediate steps of relief that are being taken for the citizens?
See, Kuhina, what happens is in these sorts of situation, before the statement comes, these teams actually rush into action.
Right.
Right now, we have actually reached Terminal 1 of the Delhi airport, where this unfortunate incident took place. What we are understanding is that here you can see, I'll give you the glimpse of the airport right now from this very place. You can see here people being stranded. In fact, the NDRF personals on the upper side of this very area trying to actually do the rescue operation, and in fact right now the situation seems under control, but as of now what we are understanding, all the officials are here in very large numbers. In fact the top officials from the ministries are also here trying to take control of the situation.
Right, Yash, since you've already reached the airport, how feasible was it for you to commute?
See, to reach airport, it was a lot of hassle. When we left from the Noida, actually, it usually takes around 40 minutes in the early morning hours. But today, it took me around 1.5 hours. So the advisory is very clear by the authority side as well. They say only one thing, that if you are venturing out to the airport, what you have to do is you have to take at least hour or so consideration into your kitty before leaving the before leaving for the airport, because a lot of water logging is being actually witnessed in different areas of the national capital. In fact, you come from any area, in fact, you will actually find these visuals. In fact, you will find tough to actually commute from one place to another. So the airport authorities have also made it clear that if you have a flight, you have to actually venture out on time. In fact, I'll try and give you the glimpse of the very structure which actually collapsed from on the Delhi airport. Here you can see, as of now, the traffic for the regular commuter has been actually stopped because of this very collapse, and you can see only the staff members and only some passengers who are still here waiting for either reschedulement or cancellation of their flight, or they are waiting for updated schedule from their flight operators.
Right, Yash, I'll request you to... Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast. As heavy rainfall accompanied by thunderstorms and lightning lashed parts of the national capital early this morning, it also brought relief from the heat, causing a lot of civic apathy on the ground and heavy traffic jams. We'll continue to bring you all the latest news and updates from the region, but right now it's time to slip into a very short break. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.